kicking off the weekend with Traders Unplugged. Joining us now from the floor is CME Group Alan Nuckman and Andrew Keene. Good morning. And topic number one, end Eurozone. The recession is winding down in Europe. So now, how do you play it?
Who said the recession? Alan finds its obscure articles as it says it. If you look at the EEM, it's down 10%
The way you measure a recession,
US stock market
over.
up 16%. I want to get short the EEM. I'm selling the 39.5, 40.5. Bear call spread 50 cents. If it rips higher, I'm defining my risk versus reward. EM and the stock market's headed lower.
All right, the official recession is over there. And looking at the euro currency, the death has been greatly exaggerated. It's at 134 now. It looks like it's getting 136, possibly 140. My play to play the Eurozone is P&G, very conservative. You might appreciate that.
Topic number two, tough love. This week a report came out that there are 25 companies that are very tough on job hunters. Does a tough interview equal a good stock?
Well, you're going to have to answer that with the company that you think they obviously have the toughest interview process out of that list. I know you're going to like the Google, so what do you got to say?
I looked at 25 stocks, and Alan knew what I was going to choose. Google, they're innovative. The stock chart looks great from the bottom left to the top right. Recent pullback here, maybe some cash going into Apple out of Google. I don't want to get long it just yet. Once it breaks 880 to the upside, I want to get long it. It looks like it's
How do you trade Google? How does the average retail guy trade Google? There are many options on Google, so that is something.
You trade the minis.
Okay, that's a good answer.
There's
a couple of stocks on that list, NVIDIA and Sapient. They both look like they have about 50% moves technically. If they break above their recent highs, they can get to 23. So from a technical standpoint, those were the companies. But I don't like the premise. Just because a company is really hard to get a job for doesn't
Google's
mean
innovative. It's
that
the best
the
company
stock
in the world,
is that
period.
good.
Topic number three, Apple appeal. All of a sudden, we're hearing tweets from Carl Icahn that he's buying more shares of Apple. He sees the stock going to 700. George Soros doubling down on his position. What do you do with Apple now? Is it a buy? Does it have more appeal?
I'm obviously going to say Apple's not a buy right here. However, it is too strong to short. Even today with the S&P 500 down 23 points, Apple's actually up, hitting and lingering around this 500 level. This might be every time it sells off is a buy instead of every time it rallies is a sale. I think if they get into this,
you're changing sentiment at least.
Short-term sentiment is bullish. Okay.
Well, this is the first time we've been to 500 since January, but the risk reward's no longer there. We've already rallied $120 off the lowest. The midpoint is about 550. 580 is the target.
No chance it gets a 580.
580 is the $100
no
range that it traded in if it breaks out.
And for your bonus round question then, name three stocks that are trading above $600.
Priceline, Google. There's two. How many do we have?
There's two. We got to come up with another one.
Above 600.
Amazon's not it.
Oh my God.
Blackstone's $300.
I had MasterCard as the third choice.
Oh, there you go. There you go. That was the third one.
And keep in mind, on Labor Day, we will have a special edition of Traders Unplugged, so we are asking you for your questions to ask the guys. Thanks a lot and have a good day.